Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2618-0518. The error reads, "Unable to connect to the other consoles. Please try again later. If the problem persists, your network conditions may not be suited to stable online play." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play online games like Smash Ultimate, Mario Kart World, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, or trade in Pokemon games but are unable to connect to other consoles. According to our research, this error is likely caused by network connection issues or server problems. It may also occur if the game or device firmware is outdated. Now let's come to the fixes for the error. The first thing we suggest is to power cycle your device along with the internet. Simply shut down your Nintendo Switch and unplug your router. Then wait for around 5 minutes. Then restart everything and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if the game that is showing the error needs an update. If there is any pending update, install it and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then check if your Nintendo Switch firmware is up to date. Simply go to the system settings and check for any system updates. If there is one, install it and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues and you are on a Wi-Fi connection, then try switching to a LAN cable connection. Simply connect using the wired connection and see if the error still comes. If you still get the error, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. Once connected to the new network, check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then visit nintendo.co.jp/n_us/index.html and check if the Nintendo servers are down. If the servers are under maintenance or facing issues, then wait for a while and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.